Hello everyone, I am Trupti Pandya and today I will be teaching you mathematics of standard 4th. Today, let us start the revision of chapter number 7. Students, already chapter number 1 to 6 revision is over. Now today, let us start the chapter number 7 revision, jugs and mugs. First of all, important points. First important point, 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. Second, liter is written as L in short. Milliliter is written as ml in short. If milliliter we want to write in short, then we have to write a ml. And if a liter we have to write in short, then it is L. Liter and milliliter is used to measure liquid. If in any vessels in which the liquid filled, it is called capacity of the vessel. 1 liter water bottle, it means 1 liter is the capacity of bottle. Page number 70. Bunny and Banno celebrate their wedding. Question number 1. The elephant is drinking 50 liter of kheer. The giraffe is drinking 25 liters. The cow is drinking 15 liters. Then came the squirrel. She said, I can't drink 1 liter of kheer. Please give me only 500. So squirrel drink 500 milliliter kheer. The donkey asked her, 500 milliliter of kheer. Isn't that more than a liter? The fox said, come on, don't behave like a donkey. 1 liter is 1000 milliliters. So 500 milliliter is a half liter. Page number 71. The cat took 10 glasses and poured 100 milliliter of kheer in each glass. How much is that? She took 10 glasses and poured 100 milliliters kheer in each glass. Here 10 glasses is given. And in each and every glass, if 100 milliliter kheer is there, then 100 into 10 is equal to 1000 milliliter. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 glasses are there. So 8 here and 2 backside. So 10 glasses are there. And 10 glasses into 100 is equal to 1000 milliliter. And we know that 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. The donkey looked confused and asked, 10 glasses of 100 millimeter each. How much is that? The fox got another chance to show off. He said, aha, that is simple. 10 times 100 milliliter is 10 into 100 is equal to 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. Now you write it 10 into 100 milliliter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Quantity of kheer in 1 glass is equal to 100 milliliter. Quantity of kheer in 10 glass is equal to how much? 10 into 100 ml is equal to 1000 ml. Now page number 72. Question number 1. If 1000 ants drink 1 ml of kheer, how much kheer they will drink? Each ant drink 1 milliliter of kheer. So 1000 ants drink kheer is equal to 1000 into 1 ml is equal to 1000 milliliter. Page number 73. Who can have a 1 liter kheer? Do you like kheer? What do you call it at home? Yes, I like kheer. At home we call it Dudh Pak. Question number 2. How much kheer can you have? I can have 200 ml of kheer. Question number 3. Can you drink 1 liter water at one time? Answer, no. I cannot drink 1 liter water at one time. Question 4. The donkey is trying to look for different ways to add up to 1 liter. Help him complete the chart. Here, one question is given and from here and from here, we have to make the 1 liter. So here 500 and 500, 1 liter. Afterward here 200 ml given. So 1000 minus 200, then we get 800. So here we keep 800. Here 100 is given and 1, 2 and 3 we have to arrange 900. Here 250 given and afterward in 1 and 2 we have to arrange 750. Here 5 boxes is given and we have to arrange and make it 1 liter. So here 400, 350 and 250. Here we have to write 450 and 550, otherwise 500 and 500, whatever you write. Here 500 and 500 is given, so here 200 and 800. Here 100 is given, so 200, 300 and 400. Here 750, 150 and 100. So this way you have to write any digit and make it 1000. Any digit you have to arrange here and make 1000. Here also 1000, 1000, 1000, 1000 and 1000. Then it's make the 1 liter. Not only these numbers, but you have to write any numbers here and make it 1000. Now page number 74. Look around. Question number 1. Look around, look at this picture. Now look for some other things we get in packets or bottles like this. Make your own list. Here answer: water 1 liter, cold drink 1 liter, cough syrup 100 ml and tomato ketchup 200 ml. Now question number 2. My liter bottle. Have you seen a 1 liter bottle? Yes, I have seen a 1 liter water bottle. Collect 1 liter bottle and some other small bottles. Guess how many times you have to pour from each of the small bottles to fill the liter bottle. Here check it your guess, it correct and fill the table. Here we have to make the bottles. The bottle, first bottle is 100 ml, second bottle is 200 ml and third bottle is 250 ml. It means different types of 3 bottles are there. If 100 millimeters one first bottle is there, then if we want to make it a liter, then how many times we pour it? So here bottle number 1 is 100 ml and we have to pour it 10 times, then it's become the 1000. It is my guess. And afterward my measure, then it is also 1 liter. 10 times pour 100, then it's make the 1 liter. Now in bottle number 2, there is a capacity of a bottle 2 is 200 ml. Now to make the 1 liter, how many times we have to pour it? My guess is 5 times. And actually 5 times 200 ml pour, then it's become the 1 liter. 200 into 5, then 1000 and 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. Now third bottle is 250 ml. 250 ml 4 times my guess and 4 times actually when we pour, then it's become the 1000 milliliter. Bottle number 4, it is 500 ml. My guess is 3 times. It's wrong. When 500 ml 2 times when we pour, then it's become the 1000 milliliter means 1 liter. Bottle number 5, 1000 ml 1 time, then 1 time it is correct answer. Now page number 75. Question number 1. Look what Aditya is saying. How much water does his small bottle hold? Aditya poured 2 small bottles of water to fill this 1 liter bottle. 1000 ml divided by 2 bottles is equal to 500 ml. So Aditya's small bottle can hold 500 ml of water. This is 500 ml and here there is a 1 liter bottle. When Aditya pour this one and afterwards second time, then this bottle is filled. So 500 plus 500, then 1000 ml means 1 liter. Leela has a small bottle. She poured 5 small bottles of water to fill a 1 liter bottle. Then how much water does Leela's bottle hold to fill 1 liter bottle? Leela need to pour 5 times from her small bottle. Here Leela's small bottle is there and 5 times pour in this bottle, then it's make the 1 liter. Answer part: 1000 ml divided by 5 times is equal to 200 ml. We know that 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. Capacity of a big bottle is 1000 ml. Now Leela uses small bottle 5 times to fill the big bottle. Capacity of the small bottle is equal to 1000 divided by 5 ml is equal to 200 ml. So Leela's small bottle can hold 200 ml of water. So 200 ml of water is there and 5 times when Leela poured in a big bottle, then 5 times when poured, then she get 1000 ml. It means 1 liter. Now Ramu's measuring bottle. Question number 2. Ramu's measuring bottle. Ramu got an empty 250 ml coconut oil bottle. Look at the picture and discuss what he did to make his big measuring bottle. So here one bottle is given. Here it is marking is there 200, 500, 750, 250, 500, 750 and 1 liter. Now Ramu will take 2 empty bottles, one of large size here, one of large and one of small. So Ramu will take 2 empty bottles, one of large size and another a 250 ml. This is the 250 ml coconut oil bottle is there. Ramu will fill 250 ml bottle with water and pour it entire water into big bottle and afterward marking it 250. Now second time fill up this bottle and pour here and afterward he marking here 500. Again third time Ramu filled this water and poured this water here, then he gets 750. And again one time he filled and poured in this, then it is a 1 liter. So one of the large Ramu will fill the 250 ml bottle with water and pour the entire water into the big bottle. Now he will mark the level in the big bottle as a 250 ml. He will repeat this process and now he will mark the level as a 500 ml. 250 plus 250, 500. He will again fill the 250 ml bottle and now he will mark the level as a 750 ml. Now 250 plus 250 plus 250 is equal to 750 ml. He will again repeat the process and now he will mark the level 1 liter. 250 ml plus 250 ml plus 250 ml plus 250 ml is equal to 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. In this way, Ramu got the measuring bottle with clear marking on it and make the 1 liter's measuring bottle. So this way Ramu prepared the 1 bottle and it's a 1 liter's bottle this way with the help of 250 ml coconut oils bottle, because Ramu know that this bottle's measurement is 250. So 4 times he poured in a big bottle and make the mark 250, 500, 750 and 1 liter. And this way see he prepared the 1 liter's water bottle. So this way our up to here explanation is over. You revise this once again. Thank you very much.